Why pre, why chop, wagwan? It's your boy Singh, Zima back with another banger vlog video, and today we are going to Moon Palace. My virgin Daniel hit me up and was like, "Yo, bro, I got some day passes, for Moon Palace for the day, and I'd love for you to come." So I'm gonna go, and we're gonna have a good time. I've never been to Moon Palace. It's been recommended to me for a long time, to the point where I've actually recommended it to other people and they really enjoy it. So I'm going to go there, see what everything is like, see what the vibes is like. It's the first time I'm going to country in my car. How does it look, guys? How does it look? How we looking? 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 But yeah, so I'm on my way to pick up my friends Leanne and Ashley right now, and then we're gonna, do a little drive. I mean, I'm really happy that it's like in OG and not super far. Like, I wouldn't really want to go to Mobay. Yeah, let's see. Stay hydrated. Welcome to Moon Palace. Ocho Rios. Alright guys, so if I remember correctly, this used to be Jamaica Granite. This is Daniel.
Yes, it was Jamaica Granite.
It was Jamaica Granite.
Yeah.
I like the decor. I haven't been here in forever. I think the last time I came here I was like a little youth. You see me? But apparently we're gonna get some shots. Shots of what, by the way? We're also here with Ashley and Leanne.
Hello.
Wagwan. Boy, Leanne, I don't know about you and nothing.
Yeah, that looks awful. I need a camera. I need a shade.
Not even gonna lie, I haven't taken a shot in a really long time.
Arriba, abajo, al centro y para adentro.
Whatever. Can I please have the cranberry juice?
Is everybody getting?
Can I have the cranberry juice, please, sir?
Woo. Great way to start the day. I'm not even gonna lie. That's really warm. I need some food in my system.
Oh my god.
Before we get the day started, I'm gonna try the pizza and the sushi. They have a sushi bar here and like a pizza panini sandwich place thing and a cafe as well. Let's try their pizza. It does taste homemade. It tastes like a homemade pizza. But it's a lot of bread. Not much pizza going on, so this is almost like a cheesy bread pizza, and this is how all of them are. I guess they're going for a deep dish feel, but they skimped out. But it is what it is. Thank you. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. I got a Philly roll and some salmon and tuna sashimi. I'll try the Philly roll first. I will say the fish doesn't look super fresh, but that's fine. Tuna sashimi. It's decent. Is it sushi grade? Not really. The fish isn't super fresh, it's really cold, but I mean, as I said, we're just getting started, getting some food in the tummy before the day continues. Alright, so they also have this cafe boulangerie, cafe chute bacon, whatever that means. And I'm gonna get a ham and cheese crepe and a caramel latte. I'm just trying all the food here, see what I like, see what I don't like. And yeah, before we get into some activities, before we get into the drinking, you see me? I got a caramel frap and I ordered a crepe. So while I'm waiting on the crepe, let's try this caramel frap situation. No, not caramel frap, caramel latte. Starbucks could never. So here we have Boss Russian making the ham and cheese crepe. And if you did not know, crepes are basically like really thin flat pancakes, so it's similar to a pancake batter, but it's much thinner, and then they spread it out super thin, almost like a tortilla wrap, and then they fill it with whatever filling you want. And I got ham and cheese, so let's see how this one comes out. Thank you.
Alright.
This is a really, 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 really thick boy. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't think I'll be able to eat this off, but I still want to try it. This is thick. All right, so ham and cheese crepe from Cafe Lingerie, Boo Lingerie. Cheers. Sweet, savory, cheesy, hammy, meaty. Okay, they have a little craft thing going on. Yo, boss, you guys are here every day? No, just today? All right, cool. I'm great. How are you?
Respect.
Respect, bro. That is it.
You put names and stuff.
Huh?
You can write names on them.
Oh, really? No, at this hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you see something like I want to get some for someone, you know, can personalize it. You know?
Okay, cool. Good to know. We picked the rainiest day to come here. Like, the weather is entertainment area, calm, big screen football game going on. Look at the sky. There's no f***ing way right now. There's absolutely no way. Pool, slide. Look at, what's this? Water polo field thing. Top bar, of course. It's really good that I'm here because initially I was thinking to go to Atlanta. Yeah, I didn't really want to go anymore because I was in the process of getting a car, and I was like, yo, I don't know if I'm gonna have the time because I didn't know if I was gonna get it this week or whatever. So I was like, all right, you know what, cancel that trip. And funny enough, my friend called me and was like, yo, bro, you want forward? And I was like, yo, that's actually so perfect because I get a chance to relax even though I didn't get to do exactly what I wanted to. So things always have a way of just working out, you know? So really grateful to be here. And yeah, let's have a good time, kids. This hotel property is actually pretty nice. Let me go on the beach and see what I'm going. Water sports are included. They got the big boat. They got the little boat. They have this huge ass bicycle. This is actually tough. I might want to do this still. Waveboarding. What's this? Paddle board. I guess. Whatever that's called. Nice little beach. Let's see if the sand is real. Absolutely not. I have a thing for real sand, and you can kind of tell based on the grain. So like, if the sand is more coarse, like if it's really coarse, then you can tell that it's not real. The more you guys go to beaches, you can kind of tell the difference, and real sand definitely has like a thinner, more pure feel. But it's not often that you see it because, you know, pollution, erosion, and everything like that. How many shots are we doing?
Just one.
Just one. I'll know when I eat enough food, you know.
No, we haven't.
No. One of them don't put that. Alright, so the thing about the food is
No, I said how's it going?
the rest of it is fine. This is the last shot, and then we're gonna go to the food place because it's 12:30 when okay.
1 o'clock.
No, I mean 12:30 the place opens. So right now it's a perfect time for us to get a meal.
First of all, gang is pouring like.
No, for real, I said that. Oh, for sure, them is. I don't know.
Yo, boss man, them your not taking it. Them your not taking it.
Welcome to Jamaica.
We live here. We live.
For sure.
Today, jerk chicken. And they have fish.
Guys, this is Kemba.
Hi y'all.
I've known her for many, many years.
No, actually it's crazy how long we know each other for.
I've known Leanne for almost 10.
Right.
But I've known Kembini for, but she's a fake friend because every time she sees me,
Mind
she
you, he
walks,
came here and he
she
didn't
walks
even
past me.
say hi.
You know,
Anytime I see him, I don't have on my glasses, so I can't even see. He
That's an excuse.
came here.
That's an excuse.
He walked right
That's an excuse.
past
That's
me.
an excuse. That's an excuse. I walked past her because I thought she was regular pedestrian, but she was regular pedestrian.
Al centro y
Pa dentro! Terrible. I give it a 4 out of 10.
I give it nothing.
we're gonna name down the place, guys. Immediately, we're gonna introduce Singh. We're gonna introduce Singh to Moon Palace's buffet. I love a good buffet, and Moon Palace just happens to have a buffet that is delicious. It's not random shit. If they ever come in here and disappoint me, hopefully.
Yeah, that's just it.
Gym pain Pilates, you know, guys. I've been doing my Pilates. My hand hurts. Ow. If this buffet messes everybody up right now, I will take responsibility. How you been, Singh?
I've been good. How have you been?
I've been okay.
Sure.
I work too much.
There's no such thing as working too much.
Obviously, I work every day. That's too much.
Big ass buffet, I'm not even gonna lie.
Alright.
Thank you. Alright guys, so this is our sit. I've been to a lot of hotels and the food has usually been very, very, very mid. So I'm just hoping for the best right now. Also, I don't really eat Jamaican food either, so don't expect a kalaloo and a saltfish now, really, like, absolutely not. Alright, let's see what this buffet is saying, kids. Are you 13?
I am a child.
You're little, what are you getting right now? Wings?
Chicken tenders.
Chicken, oh my god, please stop.
French fries.
That cannot be your meal.
Oh yes.
That cannot be your meal right now. Tomato and cheese salad. Oh, they have a good amount of stuff still.
I want all the cheese you got. Mix the Alfredo sauce with the carbonara. We'll have veggies other ways. It's not in my pocket.
Alright guys, so we got some curry goat here and some pasta, some veg. You guys already know you're going to get a food review, but this is also just lunch. We're going to have to try dinner as well. Leanne was saying that the dinner might be better in terms of options, but we'll see what happens. Curry goat first. Cold. Decent. A lot of places in Jamaica tend to don't use spices as much. I feel like this is a good curry goat if it's your first time having curry goat or if you've not had it before. Pasta. Leanne ate with the salt, pepper, and chili flakes, I won't lie. I feel like if that wasn't in there, it would have been like a 6, 7. The cold ass chicken tenders.
It's really good. So we got some chicken, sawfish fritto, goat, curry shrimp, octopus, fish, roast beef, pasta with shrimp and chicken. Obviously.
Hello, what can I get you?
I'll have a whiskey sour. You want that beer thingy for stopping up? Get a grip, please get a grip. Anything else? Anything else? So we're here at the jerk hut, getting some jerk chicken and jerk pork. I don't think they have any jerk pork right now, but I want to try both just to see how it is. So I'm gonna grab some and then let you guys know what I think. Drink is pretty good still. Here we go. I'm going to grab a seat and try the jerk chicken, corn. There's a piece of festival there. A lot of white meat, not much dark meat, but that's okay. Alright guys, so here we go. Jerk hut jerk chicken. Yeah, it's alright. Very crispy skin. Hear that? It's a bit dry. And when dark meat is dry, that means that they kind of overcooked it. And the flavors are okay. I feel like a lot of this video is just a food review. And you know what? I don't really care. That's the point. So here we have the arcade. Okay, they have pool, foosball, air hockey, pool, bike, Pac-Man. Nice. They also have like Xbox, some more shoot 'em up games, some PC games here as well. Tough.
Alright guys, so we just got up from a 2.5 hour nap. The weather has changed, the lighting is totally different. I probably have like a layer of tan right now. Some people would be like, oh, you know, like I slept out so long and I regret it because of the... Nigga, that sleep was immaculate. Food settled in my tummy really well. The whiskey sours most off my head and I just drop asleep. Lee also just woke up not too long ago.
I don't have to go work.
That's crazy. Gabe is over there. What's going on?
This one, and then you put them into your head, and then you do the big heart.
That was good. I like that. Lee, what going on? Are the food enough?
And I'm ready for my other plate.
Yeah, guys, this is a nice place. How was that? What did you guys do?
Workout.
What?
Actually, Dad,
You're alive and speaking and well right
Far
now.
from
What
it,
do you
I'm a
mean?
ghost this. Actually, I'm come down from heaven to talk to you. I'm just so tired.
It was a workout.
What did you do?
Both of them. I did the bike and the
Paddleboard.
1 to 10?
The 4.
A good 4 is crazy.
No, actually,
It was fun.
we go sleep and wake up and sore.
Yeah.
Bad. Because that bike take me out.
When I was coming over here, I was just like, yo, I may or may not
Mind
do
you.
something.
I don't know, Daniel said the bike was more fun than the kayak, and the kayak is a workout already.
Yeah.
But that was fucking hell. Worse than the kayak, actually.
Dolphins, there are dolphins
Yeah,
here.
the dolphin's here. Let's go. The last time I surfed, the wall of my shirt fall off. I'm so sorry.
You know what, guys? I think you'd like that. I approve. Let's go surfing.
So bad.
Ocho Rios, man. Ocho Rios. Listen, Ocho is one of the calmest, slowest cities I know. And I say slow in terms of how they operate. Like, it's very chill, it's very relaxed. Nobody's in a rush to do anything. Everybody's relaxing, everybody's having a good time. And I really like that about Ochi. Kingston is very fast. Like, there's things always happening. There's always something to do, always somewhere to go, and people are always on the move. But here in Ochi, very chill. Very, very, very chill. I'm so grateful that I live on this island. Like, look at this cove right now. That's absolutely insane. People on yachts, boats, skis, on the beach. Like, I absolutely love it. I want to see her drop. As in, not to hurt herself, but let's see.
Just drink it.
What is it?
Just drink it.
Is it gonna knock me out?
Just drink it.
Is it a long animal?
Just drink it.
Did you put anything in there?
You can just drink it. It's so fun.
Oh, it's not bad. These niggas told me 15 minutes ago that I can't go on it. And look at the three of them. Look at the three of them enjoying the fruits. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. More see him drop him up. More see him drop him up. I swear to God.
Right, see, drop.
I've had 2 good whiskey sours here. And it was from the main place.
No, literally, all my drinks have been good from the lobby. Those 2 guys at the lobby, shout out them for real.
Okay, I would
They're
say,
so
guys,
good.
like, they have a lot of liquor here, and you have access to everything. Premium liquor, top shelf liquor, whatever. However, I think some of them mix it to get you drunk and not necessarily to make a really good drink. If you have like a specific drink taste, get it at the main lobby and move around. I've been to Jamaica Grand. I've been here when it was Jamaica Grand, but like, that was a long ass time ago.
Have you been to Mumbai before?
No, it's my first
Really? Oh my god, you're a virgin!
time. Here is the walkthrough of the room. 2 beds, full mirror here. And I mean, it's kind of quaint. We have a balcony over there, but we don't have the best view, so I'm not even going to show you guys that. TV, mini bar with nothing in there. Pretty chill. Pretty chill room, pretty chill. Gondola. So this is Gondola, the Italian restaurant. This is their like more premium Italian restaurant feel, pretty chill vibes. See how the menu looks with the gold embossing, is kind of crazy. We ordered a couple of stuff. We ordered calamari, we ordered risotto. What else did we get? Grilled salmon. We got some bread to start. Yep. Italiano. Yeah. Carbonara Savannah. Try your. So we got the beef carpaccio, fried calamari. Beef carpaccio is just raw beef. I don't think you guys would be interested in that, and a lot of you guys may not even try it, which is fine. But I'm used to stuff like this, so cheers. Pretty fresh, I won't lie. Here we have some risotto. It kind of tastes like vomit. No. I don't remember what he said this was, but I hope it's better than the risotto. Cheesy. This is like a lasagna without the pasta. This I don't remember what this is. This is so good. The risotto tastes like vomit. I'm not gonna lie, and no disrespect to them, but it just kind of tastes off. The ricotta and spinach, cannelloni, whatever. It's time to try momo. So this is momo. This is the hibachi / Asian restaurant.
Here we go. Jamaica Skittles.
Alright guys,
Are you on a carnivore diet? No, because you look a mashed potato or something. You look like this.
when a business about none of everything there, bro. Like, what are you talking about? Like, hey guys, I got a lot of meat just because. Why?
Love them in a broken
Alright guys, so turn around. We have Kemba's big back.
You're the one that wanted the pasta.
Just on eating, as you can see, we have 25 plates and somebody.
After me a broken papa.
This one is for the road.
I don't think the camera heard you. I don't think the camera heard you.
That's fine. Like, come on. Like, what the fuck? Alright, so before I go, a few things to mention. The food overall is at 8.5 out of 10. Obviously, you're not going to get like your mom's homemade style food. However, if it's your first time in Jamaica and you want to experience the food, I think this is a pretty good contender in comparison to a lot of the hotels out here. Speaking of a lot of the hotels out here, this is right in the center of Ocho Rios town, which is super convenient. If you fly into Mobay or if you fly into Kingston, it's about an hour and a half away depending on how you're driving or how you're getting here. But it's a super central location, which is super convenient. Also, you're right smack dab in the middle of Ocho Rios, like the town of Ocho Rios. So if you want to leave the property, walk around and explore, go to John Cross Tavern, go to Margaritaville, go to Dolphin Cove, you're less than 5 minutes away from everything. So it's a super convenient location. A lot of the hotels are like in their own little space where if you walk out of the hotel you can't go anywhere. However, here is super central, which is something I like. Also, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just talking based off of my own experience and what I've gone through before with a lot of these hotels. And I will say that the location here is super prime. Another thing that I will mention before I end off this vlog is that with this hotel you have access to all of the premium liquors. A lot of other hotels you can't get Johnny Walker Black, you can't get Hennessy, you can't get Don Julio without paying for the platinum or diamond membership. However, with Moon Palace you have full access to everything, which is super clutch. and it's something that you won't know until you actually get to the hotels. I've had a good time here. This is my second time here. You guys may not notice, but this vlog is actually split up into 2 day passes in one, where I've been able to experience the space twice. And I will say both times I've had a good time, and I plan to come back again and again. So big up to Moon Palace. Thank you for having me. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.